Spanning acres of steel, concrete, and precision engineering, this is more than a plant. It's a living network of energy, chemistry, and human ingenuity working in perfect rhythm. Every pipe, every column, every structure you see plays a role in a process refined over decades, transforming raw materials into the products that power industries and everyday life. Towering columns rise against the sky, each one a testament to careful design, separating, purifying, and perfecting at every stage of the journey. Behind every valve and every reading, there are people, engineers, operators, and technicians ensuring safety, consistency, and excellence around the clock. And beyond the plant itself lies its connection to the world, a strategic location, linking production to the ports, the markets, and the people who depend on it. This is where vision meets execution. This is where industry moves forward. One process, one pipeline, one milestone at a time.